Assalamualaikum. It's our team presentation about a lab 1 3-phase balance loads in star connection configuration. Let's start. For this lab consists of 3 parts. For the first part is balance pure resistive load. The second is balance pure capacitive load, and the third one is balance inductive load. So there's equipment that we use for this experiment. There is resistive load, capacitive load, inductive load, power switch module, controllable 3-phase power supply 0 until 400 volt, and power quality meter with a display and a long-term memory.
Okay, this is the procedure how to set up for balanced pure resistive load. First of all, you have to set up the following circuit as shown. Secondly, connect the resistor in star configuration and set it to a level of 750 ohm. In this lab experiment, we have to find the result when the value of resistor is 750 ohm, 500 ohm and 200 ohm. Lastly, you can switch on the variable 3-phase power supply and set the phase voltage to 230 volt. So this is the final result for resistive load. As we can see, the phase voltage and line voltage for 750 ohm, 500 ohm and 200 ohm is constant. For the current, it is increased from 0.44 ampere, 0.74 ampere and finally 1.6 ampere. For the total power, it also increased from 306 watt, 511 watt, 1103 watt. So, from this result, we can conclude that the less the value of resistance, the more the current and power will be.
Okay, for the second part is balance pure inductive load. First of all, set the following circuit and then connect the inductive load in star configuration and set this to levels of 1.2, 2 and 3.2 Henry in succession. And then switch the variable 3-phase power supply on and set it to a voltage of 400. After we get the result of 3 differences of inductive load, we need to calculate the value of reactance of 3 differences load. For the formula of reactance of inductive load is reactive power for the load over with current square of phase. Okay, for the part 3 is balance pure capacitive load. First of all, set up the following circuit and then connect the capacitive load in star configuration and set it up to 2 microfarad, 4 microfarad and 6 microfarad in succession, one after the other. And then switch on the variable 3-phase power supply and set the phase voltage to 230 voltage. After get the result from the lab, we need to calculate the value of reactant for different 3 of capacitive load. So the formula for the reactant for the capacitive load is voltage of the phase over with current of the phase.
Alright, for the conclusion for this lab, we are able to demonstrate the theoretical aspect of the operating response through this star connection, three-phase star connection. Next, we are able to identify the power for this connection. Apparent power, real power, true power. Yes. But last but not least, we are able to investigate and compare the characteristic between the individual load of resistive, inductive, and the capacitive. It may give different output for the system.